We've got HUAWEI Nova Young, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick advanced settings, and here go to backup and reset. At the bottom of the list you will notice all personal data settings, so the first one is reset all settings. This is what you have to click. And now if you truly want to get rid of all settings and if you'd like to remove all of them, like data and documents, just click on reset all settings. And then you have to confirm it one more time. Just be sure that you want to perform it because this operation cannot be undone, and then your device will be restarted with no previous setup. And click on reset all settings to perform it, wait a couple of seconds, and then you will be able to customize your phone from the beginning. And that's it. As you can see, it has been performed, and now you can set everything from the beginning. Hello? Oh, here we are, and now you can change the wallpaper and all the settings that you previously have set. So this is it. This is how you can perform a settings reset in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.